Good morning, one and all again. In this lecture, module number 1, lecture number 7, part 2, we are going to consider a second example for better understanding the numerical basic on trunking theory and grade of service. So, this exam point of view, Mumbai University in mobile communication system, the question will be asked for the 10 marks. So basically, if the answer will be correct and steps will be correct, the marks will be out of 10 out of 10 get at least 9 or 10 out of 10 will be given by the examiner to the numericals, and mostly numericals are repeated in this. So consider an urban area has a population of 2 millions, means 2 lakhs resident. This urban area of 2 lakhs divided into 3 computing trunk system mobile network are present. The systems are system A, system B and system C provide a cellular service in this area, in this urban area. The system A has 394 cells with 19 channels each cell. System B has 98 cells with 57 channels each cell, and system C has 49 cells with 100 channels per cell. So here we give the number of cells and present channel in each cell and total population of an urban area, which is divided into 3 trunk system which provide a cellular service over this area. First we find the number of users that can be supported, 2% blocking. So here the blocking capacity means airline B system will be given 2%, means grade of service is equal to 0.02. If each user average the 2 calls per hour, so here request rate will be given, that is lambda, and average call duration of 3 minutes, that is capital H. Holding time is 3 minutes will be given. Assuming that all 3 trunk systems are operated at maximum capacity, and compute the percentage market penetrated by each cellular provider. So here we are calculate 2 things. First one, to calculate the total number of users offered by each system, and second one, the percentage of market penetration provided by the each cellular provider. So now let us start to calculate the number of users. So we can given, this is for system A. First will be calculated the probability of blocking. Probability of blocking is 2%, that is nothing but 0.02, which is nothing but your grade of service. Then number of channel per cell for system A used in system, that is C is equal to number of channels. C is equal to number of channels, that is 19, which is given in numerical by each cell. So traffic intensity offered by traffic intensity per user, that is denoted by traffic intensity per user, that is AU, which is measured to be in airline. So AU is equal to traffic intensity request rate into holding time, which is to be given. So request rate is 2 and the holding time, call duration of the time 3 minutes into 60, so which is to be come out 0.1 airline. So we can calculate the 0.1 airline. Now for GOS is equal to grade of service, which is to be given in terms of blocking capacity 0.02 and number of channels, which is C is equal to each cell is 19. So from airline B chart, the total carried traffic A is obtained as, so we can calculate total traffic offered by is the number of channels. When the number of channels is 19, we consider approximate 20 channels. So when the number of channels are 20 and you are offering a capacity which is to be is 0.02, we can also calculate from this chart. Okay, so which is to be given in already a numerical examples. Which is to become out 12 airline. Okay, so capital A is equal to 12 airline. Airline. Therefore therefore the total number of users that can be supported per cell is U is equal to formula we know that total traffic intensity are offered by each user. Total traffic intensity will airline and traffic intensity by each user 0.1 airline. So which is to become out total number of user is 120 for system A. So this is for system A. Similarly, since there are 394 cells, the total number of subscriber present, total number of subscribers that can, this is for single cell, okay, this is a single cell subscriber user. So total number of subscribers that can be supported by the system, A, which is consist of 394 cells, is equal to number of user each cell is 120. So total number of user offered by the total system A, total number of cells into user of one cell is equal to 120 394. So that is to become out 47280. So total subscriber offered by the system A is 47280. Now similarly, to calculate the system B, so system B, again the given probability of blocking, that is nothing but the grade of service, which is a 2%, so which is to become out 0.02. then number of channel per cell, remember per cell offered use is equal to in system, that is C is equal to number of channels is to become out 57. Hence traffic intensity per user that is AU equal to request rate into holding time. So request rate 2 per hour, 2 into 60, call duration 3 minutes. So that is to become out 0.1 airline. Okay, and for grade of service is 0.02 and number of channels per cell is 57 from the airline B. From the airline B chart, the total carried traffic, that is A, is obtained by as 45 airlines. So that is 45, and so that therefore the number of user that can be supported per se is equal to number of users is equal to total carried traffic and divided by carried offered by each user. So that is 45 airline divided by 0.1. So total number of user is 450 per se. Now this is for one cell, but system B consists of how many cells? So which is to be, since there are 98 cells, hence the total number of subscriber that can be supported by system B, that is to be equal to 450 into 98, so which is to become a 44,110 subscriber, which is supported by the subscriber offered by the system B. Now similarly, to calculate the system C, so system C given here, again the probability of blocking is equal to 2%, which is to become at 0.02, and the number of channels per cell used in system C, that is number of channels is equal to 100. So traffic intensity per user is equal to AU is equal to request rate 2 into holding time. Request rate is 2 seconds, and call duration, that is H, 3 minutes, so which is to become out 0.1 airline. So 0.1 airline, and for grade of service is 0.02, and C is equal to is 100 from airline B chart. The total carried traffic A is obtained as 88 airlines. Okay. So therefore number of users that can be supported that can be supported per cell. Okay, so which is to become out U is equal to total traffic carried offer by each user, that is 88.0.1 R line, so which is to become out 88 users per cell. Hence, since system C is consist of, since there are 49 cells, hence the total number of subscriber which is to be offered by the system C, subscriber that can be supported by system C, that is C is equal to total number of cell into total number of users supported by per cell, so equal to 880 into total number of cells, which is to become out 4310. So this is the total number of subscriber which is supported by the system C. Now we can calculate the penetration. So penetration therefore the total number of subscriber in cellular system. So cellular system consists of 3 subsystems, which is A, B and C, that can be supported by the three systems. Okay, so that is to be R, which is to become out for system A 47,280, then systems B 44,100 and system C 43,120, and which is to become out 1,34,500 total number of subscribers offered by the cellular system, all of these three systems, that is 1,34,500. Now these are the total users which is offered by three systems. Since there are millions resident in urban city, it's given 2 millions resident given in urban area. Okay, area, and the total number of cellular subscriber are in system A equal to 47,280. Okay, so the percent penetrate, so the percentage, second question which is to be asked, percentage market penetration is equal to 47,280 divided by 2 lakhs. So which is to become out 2.36 in percentage. Similarly, market penetration of system B. Market penetration of system B, which is to be total number of subscriber in system B is equal to 44,100 divided by 2 millions. So which is to become out 2.250 penetrate. And similarly, the market penetration of system C, which is to become out total number of subscriber in system C divided by total population of the urban. So total subscriber 433,120 divided by total number of population, that is 2 lakhs or 2 millions. So which is to become out 2.156 percentage. And the total penetration offered by these three systems, total market penetration offered by the three system combined is equal to, so total number of subscriber in three systems, that is to become out, which is to become out 1,34,500 total number of subscriber in three systems divided by total number of population in urban city, that is 2 million. So which is to become out 6.725%. So this is the penetration to be calculated for each system and which is offered by this. Now if you like my lecture, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So we can stop here. Thank you.